We are back and better than ever. I said that so fast. I say that so fast every time. I'm a quick speaker, a quick talker. I talk very fast. Anyways, I digress. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm doing one more look with my BretmanRock lip palette. Today, I'm really focused on using this Mercy shade right here. This cranberry shade is so beautiful. It's such a beautiful. It is such a pretty foiled shimmery shadow. So I like to keep my intros relatively short, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep watching. So my eyes are already primed because I did put concealer over my lids when I was putting my foundation on. I'm super excited because when I first purchased the lip palette, this shade right here really stuck out to me, this Mercy shade, so I really want to have today's look revolve around this color. The first thing I'm going to do is just put the shade or whatever on my transition area, and I will be applying that with my JH35 brush. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Like, and I'm going to put that into my crease. I will be using my JH34 brush to apply this, and I'm just going to build that up in the crease in the outer corner. So now I'm going to be picking up the shade Mercy with my JH41 brush, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. I'm not really going to go in with any rhyme or reason. I just want to make sure that I'm covering the whole entire lid with this because I really want this look to be like a blown out smoky eye with this shade. So I'm just going to go in and really build up that pigmentation and make sure that I'm creating more of an angled shape. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of this Cleo Amore shade and just put this in my transition area just to add a little bit of this yellow and warmth into this look. And I will be using my JH35 brush to apply that. Alright, so now I'm going to set some tape up on my outer corner, lining it up with this angle that I created, and I'm just going to pick up my Morphe Gel Slate liner, and I'm just going to do a wing with this. Before that dries, I'm just going to pick up a black shadow and a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to smoke out the very outer corner of that wing just to make this look a little bit more sultry and not as clean cut. I will be using the Noir shade from my Sultry palette and my JH43 brush. For mascara today, I'll be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is the Très Chic Lash in the style Queen. I am absolutely obsessed with these. They are perfect for dramatic looks and they have such a beautiful taper to them. If you are interested in trying out Très Chic lashes, they do have really great quality mink lashes for affordable prices, and you can use my code BRIP20 to save an extra 20%. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description down below. Alright, so now I'm just going to line my lower waterline with some black liner. Today I will be using my Morphe liner in the shade Darkroom. I'm going to be going back in with that shade Mercy, and I am just going to smudge that onto my lower lash line. I will be using my JH38 brush to apply this. And then I'm going to dip into that Cleo Amore shade, and picking up my JH35 brush, I am just going to blend that lower lash line out. Now I'm going to put a little bit more of my mascara onto my lower lashes. I have been obsessed with the Sultry palette, especially the Pearl shade for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. It is just such a bright foiled shade and it has a lot of pigment. So I am just going to pick that up on my JH39 brush, and I'm going to put that into that inner corner and that brow bone just to help to brighten up the eyes and add a little bit of highlight. For lips today, I'm going to be applying my Dose of Colors Liquid Lip in the shade Nude Chica, and then I'm going to go over that with a little bit of my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. Alright you guys, this completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am actually obsessed with this smoky eye. I'm just living for that cranberry shade, that Mercy shade that I used. It is just giving me life right now. I'm here for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so I know. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. We are getting there, and I really want to hit 1,000 before my birthday, which is December 16th. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That would be amazing. Also, feel free to leave some comments down below letting me know what kinds of videos you would like to see from me, whether it's more makeup tutorials, some sit-down talk videos, or even hairstyles. Just whatever you want to see from me, let me know, because I want to film what you guys want to see. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.